Hey guys, welcome to Code Like a Pro. In this video, I'll show you how you can possibly prank your friends using Python. So let's dive into it. First, you can open your PyCharm and make a new project. And over here, you can see some files like these MP3 and JPEG files. If you want these files, I would recommend to go down in the description, and I have a GitHub link over there, so you can just click on it and you can download the files from there. But over here, first you can go to terminal and type pip install pygame. But first I would recommend you to install all these files and place it into your project like how I've done it. So once you've installed pygame, you can close your terminal and go to your code area, and you can just close this thing, so you will have a bigger tab. And then what you can do is just import pygame, and after that you can type from time import sleep. Next you can type pygame dot init. Next we'll make a variable which will be our window equals to pygame dot display yes dot display dot set mode brackets then another bracket 0 comma 0, and then you can go outside this one bracket and type a comma. After the comma you can type pygame dot full screen. Once you have done that, you can go down and type pygame dot mixer dot init. Next you can type pygame dot mixer again, and then dot music dot load, and you can give it some brackets, and then you can type the file name, the mp3 file, which is this one. And next you can go down and again type pygame dot mixer dot music and you can, after that you can type dot play and then comma brackets. After that you can go down and type sleep for I guess 3 seconds, and after that you can type you can go down and type pygame dot mixer dot music dot load, and over here you can give the other mp3 file, which is the scary.mp3, and then once again you can type pygame dot mixer dot music dot play, and then you can make it sleep for maybe 5 seconds, and then you can create another variable which will be image equals to pygame dot image dot load, scare and that will be our JPEG file, which will be scary dot JPEG, that like this. Next what we'll do is we'll mention our variable which we made before, which will be window dot glit. Next Inside those brackets we will type image, comma, brackets 0 and 0. After that you can type pygame dot display dot update, and after that you can type sleep 5 seconds. And now let's run and see it. So it's something like this. Now you can reduce the times like 3 seconds and everything like that. And now you can keep running it. So you can just like do it in a friend's computer, and it might be scary for him. It's like quite like a jump scare. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. That was scary.